In part B, we're asked to solve the equation given. In the first instance, we would need to find a factor by subbing in either 1 or -1, but by inspection, you could probably see that 1 and -1 wouldn't give you a value of 0. So I'm going to start by subbing in 2 as a potential divisor that will give us 0. So subbing in, we get 6 lots of 2 cubed minus 7 lots of 2 squared minus 14 lots of 2 plus 8, and we get 2 cubed is in fact 8 times 6 is 48, minus 7 lots of 2 squared is minus 7 fours, which is 28, minus 28 plus 8, and that does in fact give you an answer of 0. So that means when the polynomial is divided by x minus 2, we get a remainder of 0, meaning x minus 2 is a factor. We can now use this fact to show that x minus 2 multiplied by some quadratic ax squared plus bx plus c is the same as the polynomial that we have in the question. It's now a case of comparing coefficients to see if we can find the a, b and c values. So in the first instance, we'll look at the x cubed values, and the only way we can do that is by multiplying x by ax squared, giving a coefficient of a x cubed. So a on the left hand side is equal to 6 on the right hand side. Looking at our x squared values, these are generated by x times bx, which is bx squared, so coefficient of b, and minus 2 times ax squared, which is minus 2a x squared. Our only coefficient of x squared on the right hand side is minus 7, but we know that a is in fact equal to 6, so we can substitute this in, and we can see that b will equal minus 7 plus 12, so b does in fact equal 5. In the third instance, we look at the constants, i.e. the number values on both sides, and in this case on the left hand side it's generated by minus 2c, on the right it's 8, so c is going to equal minus 4. So now we know our a, b, c values. We now know that we have x minus 2 multiplied by 6x squared plus 5x minus 4 is equal to our polynomial. So we now need to factorize that bracket, and on inspection you should find that it factorizes down to 3x plus 4, 2x minus 1. So that's the same as our original polynomial, 6x cubed minus 7x squared minus 14x plus 8. However, we were asked to solve for the polynomial equaling 0. So in this case, we're going to get x is equal to 2, x is equal to minus 4 over 3, and x is equal to a half.